one of the picnic shelters here at Forks Campground on Lake Hartwell in South Carolina. It's abandoned. Let's see, kind of overgrown. We got one swimming beach that you can see in our other video over there. Got some parking along here that you can't get to anymore, but you can park just outside of this by the boat ramp and walk in. Pretty cool. There's no playground over there, that's abandoned as well. And you got another little swimming beach here. Some picnic areas along here. Right on the water. So if you're willing to hike in, it's still usable. And it's just gorgeous. That's an island right out there. Two of them actually. And the other beach had a bunch of deer prints on it, so they must come down in the morning. There they are. Got some deer prints there. They come down in the morning, get a little water, take a little dip, go swimming before the humans show up and ruin everything. And take you on one of these trails. Little cold for us to go swimming still at this point. April. But there are people that were down here swimming earlier. It's very nice. A little chilly for us though. Maybe another month. Picnic spots and trails. This was a fantastic campground. Like I said in the other video, it's really sad when they just let this stuff go. I know they can't maintain them all, but and we wonder if it was COVID that did it in. They just didn't have the financing to keep it going. Yeah, there's your picnic spot there. Not going to be using that one anytime soon unless you want to bring a chainsaw. And all right on the water too, just fantastic. And I'll end with this. Here's the road in and out. They cut a hiking trail through it, but they're not gonna let you drive in anytime soon. So please subscribe and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See you later. Woohoo!